Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another UV look. I am doing a Spider King kind of look, so I look normal when the lights are on like this, other than the pink dots around my eyes, obviously. But when you turn the light off, I look like this, and it's glowing, thousands of glowing red eyes looking at you. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. So to start this look, I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids because this is going to act as our base for our shadows today. And just blend this out with a beauty blender or beauty sponge, whatever you got. So now I'm going to take this soft pink shade. This is Cookie Cutter from NYX. And we are going to highlight under our brow with this first, because I want this to be very bright. With the same brush, I'm going into this ColourPop shade called Beverly, and it's like a dark burgundy kind of, almost purple though. It has like a couple different shifts to it depending on how you look at it. I'm gonna put this in the crease. Now I'm going to go into this Tokidoki shade called Killer Candy. It's like a metallic purple, and we're gonna pack this all over our lids with a flat brush. This is a really cool reflex, so it's gonna kind of help with that transformation portion that we're gonna do, where everything looks really normal, everything looks just like a pretty kind of fierce glam, and then goes into the Spider Queen look. Plus, I really like this color combo of strong purples with like burgundies and reds, because it gives just like that regal royal kind of look. In the corner, I'm going to go into the ColourPop Color Fantasy and pop this in with the same flat brush we just used. I'm going to take a little bit of glitter adhesive and put this in the middle of my eyelids. I'm going to take this red glitter called Panic from Sin Cosmetics and put this in the middle of my eye. So now I'm going to do my liquid liner in black, and I am going to go over this with some UV paint. So to start off with, you just want to do your liner and make sure it's really dry before you put the paint on it. So just go with a normal wing or kind of whatever look you want to go for. I'm going to do just a regular wing. Okay, and now I'm going to throw on my mascara and lashes, and then I'll be back to do the eyebrows, the base, and all of the fun paint stuff. Now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to start on my base. I'm going to start with my Olay primer, which I like more and more by the day as my skin continues to bother me and be dry no matter what I do. And then since I have a few red spots, I'm going to use this Cicapair Derma Green Solution. It is by Dr. Jart, and I'm just going to pop this on my red spots. For foundation, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. Since it is super pale, this is in light ivory. Now I'm going to conceal using the same concealer I used before. Now I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm going into the Mad for Mattes palette from e.l.f. I'm just going to take this dark brown and smudge it under my lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of blush onto my cheeks, just to add some color back into my face. And then we're going to contour. I want this contour to be stronger than the blush, so I'm going to do the blush first. So since I'm doing a severe contour, I'm going in with my contouring tapered brush and going in with the darkest colors in the palette, but also this kind of gray toned one, staying away from the shimmery section so that it is much deeper. And then of course we have to highlight. I'm gonna use this ColourPop highlight in Monster. Okay, and then I'm going to use Heroin lip pencil from MAC to line my lips. I'm gonna go in with a dark purple lip color. This is Subversive Socialite from NYX, and this is a liquid suede. So now that we have this much done, let's jump into the spidery parts that make this a Spider Queen look. I'm going in with a white UV activated paint and a round ended brush. You want something that's kind of domed. So like a crease brush like this or a blending brush, something like that. And I'm going into my white UV paint, picking it up on the end, and I'm gonna start adding dots of white paint. Then we're gonna add little fangs on the lips. Now I'm gonna start adding spider webs on kind of around my jaw and my neck. So this is what the look looks like without the UV light on. Even if you didn't want to do UV or you're not going to be in a UV setting, this could still be a fun Spider Queen look. Put a little crown on, you look like you have all these eyes, all these spider webs and kind of stuff. But when you turn the lights off and turn the UV on, so here is the finished look. I ended up changing the white to a reddish pink just because I thought the glowing kind of red eyes looked more spider-like than the white. So I did change it from the original video, but it is the same process, same concept of just doing the little dots all over. So if you guys like this look, make sure you subscribe and check out the rest of 31 Days of Halloween so far. And stay tuned for more looks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.